Travel lovers, get ready to explore smarter without breaking the bank. Amazon is loaded with 20 cheap travel gadgets that make every journey easier, more fun, and surprisingly convenient. From compact organizers and portable chargers to clever accessories that keep you comfortable and entertained on the go, these budget-friendly gadgets prove you don't need to spend a fortune to travel like a pro. Whether you're a frequent flyer, road tripper, or adventure seeker, stick around. You'll discover must-have travel tools that make every trip smoother, more organized, and totally enjoyable. Number 1. Quatish laundry bags. Keep your dirty clothes separate on the go with Quatish laundry bags. These lightweight, durable bags are perfect for worn clothes, swimsuits, or gym gear without touching clean items. The drawstring closure keeps everything contained, and the compact design fits easily into any suitcase, backpack, or carry-on. Water-resistant and easy to clean, they handle spills or damp clothing effortlessly, making packing and unpacking simple. Budget-friendly and practical, they keep your luggage organized and stress-free. Number 2. Sodsay luggage tags. Never lose track of your bags with Sodsay luggage tags. Sturdy and affordable, these tags let you personalize your suitcase with contact information while standing out on baggage carousels. Built from durable materials, they survive travel bumps and scrapes. Lightweight and easy to attach, they fit any suitcase, backpack, or carry-on. Stylish and practical, these tags add color while keeping your luggage identifiable, making them an essential budget-friendly accessory for frequent travelers and families. Number 3. Sizobi passport holder. Protect your passport and travel documents with the Sizobi passport holder. Compact and lightweight, it organizes passports, tickets, cards, and boarding passes in one secure place, preventing items from bending or getting lost. Its durable yet sleek design fits easily in purses, backpacks, or coat pockets. Perfect for international trips, business travel, or weekend getaways, this budget-friendly holder keeps your documents safe, accessible, and organized, making stress-free travel convenient and hassle-free for every traveler. Number 4. MFXIP jewelry case. Travel with jewelry safely using the MFXIP jewelry case. Compact and sturdy, it features compartments for rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets, preventing tangles and damage. The lightweight exterior protects delicate items without adding bulk. Perfect for vacations, business trips, or special occasions, it cushions accessories while a secure zipper keeps them in place. Affordable and practical, this case allows you to accessorize on the go without worrying about safety or style, keeping your favorite pieces organized. Number 5. Iensen soap sheets. Stay clean on the go with Iensen soap sheets. These thin, portable sheets dissolve instantly in water, offering a convenient way to wash hands anywhere without bulky bottles or messy liquids. Ideal for flights, camping, or road trips, they're perfect for travelers on the move. Eco-friendly and gentle on skin, they suit adults and children alike. Each pack lasts multiple trips, making hygiene simple and lightweight. Compact and affordable, they're a clever little gadget for stress-free, fresh travel. Number 6. DURASACK insulated bag. Keep your food and drinks fresh with the DURASACK insulated bag. Lightweight and portable, it maintains temperature for hours. Perfect for sandwiches, snacks, or beverages on road trips, picnics, or airport waits. Durable and easy to clean, it fits neatly into backpacks, cars, or carry-ons. Stylish and practical, it's ideal for families or solo travelers looking for a budget-friendly way to enjoy meals on the go. Organized and reliable, this insulated bag makes travel mealtime convenient anywhere. Number 7. SIEPASA Travel Umbrella. Don't let unexpected weather ruin your trip with the SIEPASA Travel Umbrella. Compact and lightweight, it fits in backpacks or carry-ons, while providing protection from rain or sun. Its sturdy construction handles wind reliably, making it a dependable companion. The quick open mechanism allows one-handed use for sightseeing, commuting, or outdoor activities. Budget-friendly yet practical, this umbrella keeps travelers prepared for any weather, ensuring comfort and convenience without adding bulk, making it a must-have travel accessory. Number 8. Keurig coffee mug. Enjoy hot drinks anywhere with the Keurig coffee mug. Portable and spill-proof, it keeps coffee, tea, or hot chocolate warm during flights, road trips, or hotel stays. Compact enough to fit in car cup holders or backpack side pockets, it's perfect for travelers who need caffeine on the go. Durable and travel-ready, it withstands daily use, ensuring you never miss a warm beverage. Affordable and practical, this mug makes mornings on the move convenient and enjoyable. Love sipping hot drinks while traveling. Up next, we've got a gadget that keeps keeps your coffee or tea warm for hours, no matter where you are. You won't want to miss this handy travel companion. Number 9. ARZQUT Dog Carrier. Traveling with pets is easier with the ARZQUT Dog Carrier. Lightweight yet sturdy, it keeps small dogs or cats comfortable, safe, and well ventilated. Adjustable straps make carrying simple while walking, flying, or using public transport. Compact for backpacks or overhead compartments. Yet roomy enough for pets to relax, it's perfect for road trips, flights, or vet visits. Affordable and convenient, this carrier ensures traveling with your furry friend is stress-free, comfortable, and enjoyable for both pet and owner. Number 10. Baby Wrap Carrier. Keep your baby close and your hands free with the Baby Wrap Carrier. Soft, breathable fabric supports your little one comfortably while evenly distributing weight for parents. Easy to tie, adjust, and use in multiple positions, it grows with your baby. Lightweight and portable, it folds neatly into a bag, perfect for vacations, errands, or outdoor adventures. Budget-friendly and practical, this carrier allows parents to navigate busy airports, parks, or streets while staying comfortable and bonded with their child. Number 11. Mefawi Laptop Backpack. Carry your tech safely with the Mefawi Laptop Backpack. Designed for travelers, it has padded compartments to protect laptops, tablets, and other electronics. Multiple pockets keep chargers, cables, and accessories organized while you're on the move. Lightweight yet durable, it fits comfortably on your back for commuting, flights, or road trips. Budget-friendly and practical, this backpack ensures your devices stay secure, while its sleek design makes traveling with technology stress-free and stylish. Number 12. Lamicall Phone Pouch. Keep your phone safe and accessible with the Lamicall Phone Pouch. Lightweight and adjustable, it can be worn around your neck, shoulder, or across your body, keeping your device handy at all times. Perfect for sightseeing, concerts, or busy airports, it prevents accidental drops and keeps your phone protected. Compact yet durable, this budget-friendly pouch is ideal for travelers who want convenience and safety without breaking the bank, making every adventure worry-free. Number 13. WANBY Camera Cover. Protect your camera lens with the WANBY camera cover. This affordable accessory shields lenses from dust, scratches, and accidental bumps while traveling. Easy to attach and remove, it ensures your gear stays safe without interfering with shooting. Compatible with most DSLR and mirrorless cameras, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, sightseeing, or photography trips. Lightweight and reliable, the WANBY camera cover provides peace of mind for photographers, keeping equipment protected on every journey. Number 14. Even Naturals Mosquito Net. Stay bite-free with the Even Naturals Mosquito Net. Lightweight and compact, it can be hung over beds, hammocks, or tents to keep mosquitoes and insects out. Perfect for camping, tropical vacations, or outdoor adventures, it provides a safe and comfortable sleeping space. Easy to set up and durable, this budget-friendly net protects travelers from annoying bites and potential diseases. Practical and essential, it ensures you enjoy peaceful nights without sacrificing portability or convenience on the go. Number 15. Neutrogena Sunscreen Lotion. Protect your skin with Neutrogena Sunscreen Lotion while traveling. Lightweight, non-greasy, and fast-absorbing, it shields your skin from harmful UV rays during outdoor activities, sightseeing, or beach days. Water-resistant and gentle, it's suitable for all skin types and won't clog pores. Compact and easy to pack, this budget-friendly lotion keeps your skin safe wherever your adventures take you. Essential for travelers, it provides sun protection without taking up much space or adding extra weight. Long flights or road trips can be uncomfortable, but coming up is a game-changing travel pillow that inflates instantly, giving you the support you need to rest anywhere. Stick around to see how it makes travel much comfier. Number 16. Lace-in boot covers. Keep your shoes clean with lace-in boot covers. Lightweight and waterproof, they protect footwear from mud, rain, or dirt during outdoor trips, hiking, or city exploration. Easy to slip on and off, they fit most shoe sizes while remaining compact for travel. Durable yet flexible, these budget-friendly covers prevent messy shoes from ruining your luggage or outing. Practical and convenient, they're a must-have accessory for travelers looking to stay organized and keep footwear in top condition. Number 17. NorOasis Electric Lighters. Light up anywhere with NorOasis electric lighters. Rechargeable and flameless, these eco-friendly lighters work in any weather without fuel, making them perfect for camping, barbecues, or travel. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into pockets, backpacks, or carry-ons. Safe, windproof, and budget-friendly, they're an ideal alternative to traditional lighters. Reliable and convenient, NorOasis electric lighters ensure you can ignite candles, stoves, or fires safely, making them a must-have gadget for every traveler. Number 18. Povti Motorcycle Goggles. Protect your eyes with Povti motorcycle goggles while traveling or riding. Lightweight and adjustable, they shield against wind, dust, and debris for a comfortable experience on motorcycles, scooters, or bicycles. Anti-fog lenses ensure clear vision in any condition. Durable yet portable, these goggles are perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or urban commuting. Affordable and practical, Povti motorcycle goggles combine safety and comfort, making them an essential travel accessory for riders seeking protection and style on every journey. Number 19. Ginsco Car Trash Can. Keep your vehicle tidy with the Ginsco Car Trash Can. Compact, waterproof, and leak-proof, it stores garbage, wrappers, and small trash during road trips or daily commutes. Easy to install on seats, doors, or the floor, it prevents mess from spreading while keeping your car organized. Budget-friendly and practical, this travel accessory simplifies cleaning and maintains a neat environment. Ideal for families, solo travelers, or road trippers, the Ginsco Car Trash Can makes vehicle organization effortless and stress-free. Number 20. Prestee Plastic Cups. Enjoy drinks anywhere with Prestee Plastic Cups. Lightweight, reusable, and durable, these cups are perfect for camping, road trips, picnics, or flights. Stackable and easy to clean, they save space in backpacks or luggage while providing reliable drinkware on the go. Affordable and practical, they replace disposable cups, making travel eco-friendly and convenient. Perfect for families or solo travelers, Prestee Plastic Cups are a simple, budget-friendly way to stay hydrated during any adventure. These 20 cheap travel gadgets on Amazon prove you can stay organized, comfortable, and prepared on every trip without spending a fortune. From practical accessories to must-have travel tools, these budget-friendly finds make every journey easier, more enjoyable, and stress-free.